Hey everybody, one of our 347s. You see us run a lot of them. This happens to be our 450 package. It's a beautiful motor. Again, like we say, we get custom paint engines. This one had to be custom painted a nice dark Ford blue. This one has a front sump pan on it. Again, we can put rear sump pans, different intakes, fuel injection systems. You can go in Anglia stack injection, whatever you like. This one happens to have the Cobra valve covers. Got an alternator only kit. This is going into a Cobra kit car. Should be a fantastic build. If there's anything we can help with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Thank you.